In this lesson, we will learn how to upload and scan images with Google Gemini. So let's say you have an image and you want some information regarding it. You can directly upload on Google Gemini and ask for it. Let's say you have a pic of a shoe and you want to know that where this shoe is selling or from where you can get such shoes or even the brand name. You can easily get some suggestions from Google Gemini. Let's see. So here is our Gemini. We logged in. Click on new chat. Okay, after clicking new chat, we need to upload an image and we will ask what is this image about. So click here, upload image. Okay, click got it. Click upload image again. Let's say the following is the image. I'll ask what is this image about. Submit. Okay, so it has given a result. It is a photo of a MacBook Pro laptop and it has also given some suggestions. It has also shown that a red apple is here and laptop is on a wooden table, also a mobile device. The text can't be seen on the screen. Okay, it's fine. So this is how you can scan an image. Now let us upload another image. An image of a shoe. Now I'll type have you seen this image before? Submit. No, I haven't seen, but I'll analyze it. Okay, correct. Puma brand and everything else is visible. Okay, so in this way guys, we can easily scan images using Google Gemini. I can change it, rename. Let me give an app name. Upload and scan images. So we scanned it, right? And we got the result. You can share the result from here. You can also double check it or you can copy it. You can also see other drafts. Thank you for watching the video.